Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to tradingandinvesting4u.com to grab your free cash flow strategies 90-minute trading video. The Asian markets today returned to their downward slide with major indexes in Japan, Australia and South Korea all ending up in the red. Japan fell as much as 2% surprisingly, even though new figures emerged indicating growth in the Japanese economy. All eyes were apparently on the Federal Reserve in their announcement last night. The speech made and the policy response or lack of was obviously not what the Asian markets had expected or hoped for, clearly signaling the move to follow the majority of the U.S. indexes. Perhaps most perplexing was the decline in the Australian markets despite the somewhat positive news of higher-than-expected GDP growth from a few days earlier, news that has clearly been forgotten now. Affected also by the Federal Reserve meeting was the price of gold. After having a strong start to the week, gold prices were hammered around 2.4%. Future traders obviously took the lead from Ben Bernanke's indication that no stimulus would be forthcoming in the near future and sold strongly. Following gold spot prices were also major gold mining companies, which also saw their share price adversely affected. Big picture, the week has been a mixed bag of news, and we have unsurprisingly had a volatile week globally and in the Asian markets. There are claims throughout the news world that investors have preferred to focus on the negatives in the US with weak employment data and no forthcoming stimulus in Europe with the faltering financial institutions in Spain. This has in turn led to investors moving to less riskier assets like the US dollar and the Japanese yen. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to tradingandinvesting4u.com to grab your free cash flow strategies 90-minute trading video. Also follow our YouTube channel and our Share Trading Mastery site on Facebook to get all our free trading education and updates.